DJT Stock, is it the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. With Trump Media stock, we're sitting at $30.43, like 7% down for the day. That's Wednesday's performance. I mean, it's not bad, honestly, and like I said, the only case in which I'd look for something bullish if there's like a double breaks above there. Has anything changed after the things that we've seen on the chart? Honestly speaking, no. This is still relatively going to be the high that I will wait for breaks from. I can easily just move it a little bit lower, but I'd stick with this one. You know, 2 hour, that's the chart that I'm looking at. And if there's like no double breaks above there, then I wouldn't be buying. Now, there could be something like this in case I'll look for that break of a high, but for right now, this is exactly it. 2 hour chart, that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to be keeping you updated. This is by no means financial advice. All I'm using is the strategy that's given me thousands of correct predictions in 2023 to 2024. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.